Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Okay, this video is on the Zontes GK350 and it's just going to show you the location really of the passive keyless entry system, or the PKE, or the actual brain of the motorbike, the computer you might say. They call it the PKE, passive keyless entry module. This just shows you the location of where the module sits on the bike, and the antenna is there where you can see the antenna. That's the antenna going through on top. So your key recognizes it. As I say, the bike recognizes your key. All motorbikes have a brain, what controls, or computer that controls everything on the bike. In Zontes, it's in a certain location. It's usually fixed so it doesn't get any vibration. The module being pulled out now. As long as yours is tightly in place and not come loose, then your system shouldn't create an error on the dash. Normally it's like two flashing indicator lights that come on your dash if it was slightly loose. So make sure that it's really tight in location. It's held in on a bracket and held in with these two screws. Please make sure that those are tight and you'll have no problems. So Man Mick, I'm going to sign off now and let you watch the rest of the video. It's nearly finished. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.